The seventh thing I learned was to not give justifications or explanations to people who do not matter because it's just a waste of time. The eighth thing I learned was to always have tawakkul because I still remember the days of 2025 when I used to stand up on the prayer mat thinking that I don't know how, but Allah Pak will make it happen. And everything worked out in ways that I did not even thought of. Moving on to the ninth lesson, I learned that sometimes you just need to be patient and hardworking. The 10th and the final lesson is quite interesting because everything I feared happened with me in 2025, but I learned that even the worst incidents are not bad and everything happens for a good reason.